My name is Acacia Young. I'm the Chief Science Officer at Silver Fern Brand, and I helped put together this kit as well as our constipation protocol. Just gonna go over the main objectives that we wanna hit with this Constipation Plus Kit. Now, most people are focused mainly on activating gut motility, and this is really important, but it's not the full story. So when we think about the digestive tract, digestion starts in the mouth. So it's not enough just to focus on the bowels. We really wanna focus on what's going on in the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, right? So you'll notice that one of the products in this called reflux, and you might be thinking, I don't have reflux, why do I need this? But the reflux powder is actually beneficial because it's in that powder form, so it's gonna start working in the esophagus and in the stomach. So it's gonna work in the upper GI area, which is really important. And then we're also going to have regularity capsules that are gonna target a little bit lower down in the intestines. So if you see that and you're confused, that's why that's there. One of the second reasons that you can have really bad constipation is because there's inflammatory responses that haven't been finished. So what we really want to do is help to calm the system, soothe the intestines, so that everything can get back online. Another thing we have to focus on, the third thing, would be lubrication. So if you find yourself really bearing down when you're having to go to the bathroom, sometimes those stools can come out really hard, really dry, and a reason for that is because the bowels are not well lubricated. So we also want to focus on that. And the fourth issue that we want to focus on is targeting microbial imbalances. So sometimes there can be imbalances in the gut microbiome that can cause more constipation and really slow down gut motility. So we do want to touch on that aspect. So these are the four main focuses that we're going to work on with the Constipation Plus Kit. After this kit, we'll get you into other phases of our gut health protocols, so don't worry about those right now. But for now, this is what we're going to focus on to really get your motility working. We don't want you to be reliant upon different products forever. We really want to get your system back online so that it's working on its own. This tends to take 60 to 90 days for most people. This is not going to be a quick, easy button that's just going to work right away. That's laxatives, that's caffeine. We're really trying to teach your body how to process food and eliminate it properly. We formulated the Constipation Plus Kit to work.